Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Ashwini Garg. Today I discuss with you the topic of class 11 and subject is business studies. Today topic or class is objective of business. Objective means refers to those endpoint for the attainment of which various activities are undertaken. In every business organization there have some objective, means objective are those endpoint for the attainment of which, for the achieving, for the receiving the that endpoint various activities are undertaken, various type of activity like purchase, sale, finance, marketing. So objective refers to those endpoint for the attainment of which various activities are undertaken so that our organization will move in the right direction in the smooth way. So objective of business, there are two type of the objective. First one is economic objective. Second one is non-economic objective. And you can say that social objective, because the economic activities are those activities which are conducted for the social welfare, not earning money. There are two type of the objective of business: economic objective and social objective. Economic objective refers to those objective, the motive behind which earning money, means any type of the objective which are help us to earn more and more money comes under the economic objective. Social objective refer to those objectives with the help of which we can survive in the market to satisfy the various parties like customer, employers, investors, as well as providing various type of the employment opportunity to the unemployed person. So these are the objective of business: economic objective and social objective. In today's class we will discuss about the economic objective, and in the next class I will discuss with you the second objective, social objective. Now the first objective of business is that economic objective. I already told that economic objective are those objectives with the help of which we can earn money, means all those activities, all those endpoints with the attainment for which various type of activities are undertaken, means that economic, it can measure in terms of money. Like as the objective of earning money means that earning profit, increase sale, expansion of the business, creating more and more customers and potential customer, as well as development of new techniques and method for the production of goods and service. All are come under the economic objective. So economic objective refer to those objectives which can measure in terms of money, as well as which help us for the expansion of business, for the smooth running of the business. So there are three types of the economic objective. First one is profit making. Second one is creation of customers. Third one is innovation. Means there are three types of the economic objective: profit making, to earn profit; creation of customer to create new customer and maintain existing customer, innovation to develop new technique. Now I explain all these objectives in detail. First one is profit making. You know that any type of the organization, either it's the profit earning organization or non-profit organization, is established to earning some money. But there are various type of the organization for earning some objective, earning some money, profit, like as the lenders provide money as a loan to earn some interest on it, as well as doctor will treat the patient for earning fees. Means in business organization, in any type of the activity, in any type of the organization, we do something in better way to earn something. So in similar way, the business is established for earning more profit in significant way. प्रॉफिट मेकिंग आपके बिजनेस का सबसे पहला ऑब्जेक्टिव है, इकोनॉमिक ऑब्जेक्टिव मनी अर्न करना है. तो आपके बिजनेस का जो मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव है वो मनी अर्न करना है. विदाउट प्रॉफिट अर्निंग नो बिजनेस कैन सर्वाइव. प्रॉफिट इज वेरी नेसेसरी फॉर द सर्वाइवल ऑफ द बिजनेस, फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ द बिजनेस. सो देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ द प्रॉफिट: मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट, sufficient profit. Two type of the profit: maximum and sufficient. What is the difference between the maximum profit and the sufficient? Maximum profit, we earn more and more profit without considering the interest of the various party. To earn more and more profit, we use various type of the unfair means, like as the exploitation of the customers, underweighting of the product, adulteration of the product, hoarding, black marketing. Anyway, we opt to earn more and more profit. It is not good for the business. Sufficient profit means that to earn sufficient profit which is necessary to survive in the market. So there are two types of the profit making: maximum profit, sufficient profit. अगर बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का ऑब्जेक्टिव मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट कमाना है तो वो थोड़े टाइम में ज्यादा से ज्यादा प्रॉफिट कमाना चाहेगा. वो गलत तरीके अपनाएगा, अनफेयर मीन्स अपनाएगा, लाइक एज द एक्सप्लॉइटेशन ऑफ कंज्यूमर, अंडरवेटिंग ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, ब्लैक मार्केटिंग, होर्डिंग, एनीथिंग. It is not good for the business. Sufficient profit is that to earn sufficient money which is necessary to survive in the market. In that way, we provide better quality of goods at the reasonable price and every type of the information to the customer. So it is very necessary, it is good for the business not to earn maximum profit, but get sufficient profit is enough to survive in the market. So it is the first economic objective, profit making. I hope it's clear to you. Now, the second one is creation of customer. Creation of customer means that in business organization, it is the second economic objective, that the creation of customer. Creation of customer is that to maintain our existing customer as well as to attract more and more new customers, like as the potential customer. Potential customers are those customers which are not presently the customer of the business, but in future they will become the customer of the business. So creation of customer is very necessary objective of the business, because if there is no one in the market to purchase our things, we cannot survive in the market. So it is necessary to attract, to create more and more customer, and to sell more goods to the many more customer, existing customer as well as the potential customer. To creation of the customer is very much for the business organization, because it helps us to earn profit. Means that it helps us to earn our first objective, profit making, because if customer purchase the goods, our sale will increase. If our sale increase, then we earn more and more profit. So it is necessary for the business organization to create more and more customer. For creation of customer, it is necessary that we opt many more method, like as the sales promotion technique, like as the discount and other form advertisement. With the help of advertisement, we provide information about the product to the existing customer as well as the potential customer. With the help of that, many more customers will attract to our business and purchase our goods. So it is very necessary economic objective of business, creation of customer, because when more and more customer attract, they will purchase our product, our sale will increase, indirectly way our profit will increase. So it is the second economic objective, creation of a customer. Now the third one is innovation. Innovation means that in business organization to do something new. किसी भी टाइप की कोई भी नई एक्टिविटी करना वो इनोवेशन है. मीन्स वी यूज न्यू मेथड्स, न्यू वेज of running the business, of operating the business, for producing the goods and service. In today competing world, to face the competition, it is very necessary for the business organization to develop new techniques, to develop new methods for operating the business, as well as to attract the more and more customer. So innovation is also the economic objective. We can use the innovation in terms that to produce new product with latest technology, as well as to improve the quality of existing product, to use many more techniques, new techniques for the production, for the goods and services. And many more way for improving the innovation means to do something new. If we do something new, then we face easily the competitor and competition which are available in the market. If we face our competition easily, then more and more customer will attract toward our business and our sale will increase. It means that if our sale increase, then our profit will increase. Means that the economic objective, all objectives are correlated to each other: profit making, creation of customer and innovation. Creation of customer is also directly related to profit making, because our customer is more and more customer will attract, then our sale increase. It means that our profit will increase. In innovation, if we produce more and more goods, new product, improve the quality of the existing product, and use of the new and modern techniques, methods, producing goods and service, new ways operating of business, then it will attract the many more customer and various type of the party to expand our business, to increase our business. So these are the economic objectives. I hope it's clear to you. Thanks. Have a nice day.